Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel using sugar. First, gather your ingredients, granulated sugar and water. You'll also need a clean, heavy-bottomed saucepan, a heat-proof spatula or whisk, and a pastry brush. Cleanliness is crucial to prevent sugar crystallization. This simple process transforms basic ingredients into a delicious, golden caramel, perfect for many desserts. Let's get started with the cooking process. For the wet method, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in your saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once the mixture begins to boil, stop stirring. You can gently swirl the pan to ensure even cooking. Use a pastry brush dipped in water to wash down any sugar crystals that form on the sides of the pan, preventing them from causing crystallization. Continue cooking the sugar syrup without stirring. You'll notice it gradually changing from clear to a light straw color, then to a beautiful golden amber. This is the critical stage, so watch it very closely. Caramel can go from perfect to burnt in a matter of seconds. Once it reaches a deep amber, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Remember, hot caramel is extremely hot, so exercise extreme caution to avoid burns. Once your caramel reaches the desired color, carefully pour it onto a silicone mat or parchment paper to cool. This allows it to set and become firm. Let it cool completely before attempting to break it into pieces or use it in your recipes. For storage, once fully cooled, place your caramel in an airtight container. It will keep well at room temperature for several weeks. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.